Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an iPhone for a first-time user. First, power on your new device by pressing and holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to select your language and country or region. Then, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. You'll then choose whether to set up as a new iPhone or restore data from an existing backup, which is a great option if you're upgrading. Now, let's secure your new iPhone. You'll be prompted to create a 6-digit passcode, which is essential for protecting your data. After that, set up Face ID or Touch ID for convenient and secure unlocking with just a glance or a touch. Take a moment to review your privacy settings, especially for location services and app permissions, ensuring your personal information remains private. An Apple ID is your gateway to everything Apple. Sign in with your existing Apple ID or easily create a new one if you don't have one yet. This ID is crucial for downloading apps, making purchases, and using services like iCloud. Enabling iCloud will automatically back up your photos, contacts, and documents, ensuring your important information is safe and accessible across all your Apple devices. Finally, personalize your iPhone to make it truly yours. Arrange your home screen layout and add widgets for quick access to information. Head to the App Store to download your favorite applications, from social media to productivity tools. Don't forget to explore the settings to adjust notifications, sounds, and display preferences, ensuring your new iPhone perfectly suits your daily needs and preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.